I'll open that one. We'll see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
My whole 9 subscribers. Okay. This is what we got.
Oops.
And then wait. That's the wrong one.
That one's still cute.
Is the one that we got. And I think I want the one that's reading. I think I want that one.
Oh, I didn't see the reading one. That one's cute.
Yeah, or the mystery one. That one looks pretty cool. Hold up. Okay. Now I have to open that one too.
Oh, there's a little strip. I just ripped my nose on
There you go.
Okay. These are fucking huge. Okay, don't look at the card. Okay. Don't look at the card, because that's myself the other day. These are humongous. Hugh Jackman. Okay, ready? I got the sleeping one!
Oh, I got a little flower guy.
Oh,
Look
those are-
it!
Oh, let me see.
It lights up. Oh my god, I'm gonna
Here.
lose it! I love the little cards too. So look it. I'm trying to figure out how the fuck to take the plastic
Let
off.
me see. I got you.
You
Oh.
kind of ripped
Yeah,
it
you
out.
have to just pop it off and then.
Okay, here's up close and personal. Look at how cute that is. Detailing. I love doors.
You guys want-
That was originally the one. Did you want to trade?
We can if you want. Oh, they're both cute. You guys cute.
I know you wanted this one like that.
Yeah.
There you are, madam.
There you go. Oh my god, this
And then there's your. Okay, so now this one's fine. It's like a little mischief. I love it. Okay, let's look at the card. These are the same creators as the garden critters, too. Geisha. Oh, I love that. What's yours name? Bala. I love that. Very cutesy. Which one do I want?
You know what this little guy.
Let's look at these ones. I think I want a gaze. No. Departure. Departure's a cutie.
Yeah, I like the little frog guy. In that one, I think.
Okay.
Life ring, whatever they're called. Lifesaver. Inner tube.
Okay, I'm
There we
not
go.
gonna look in there. So much dopamine right now. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh!
Wait, is it?
Oh!
Oh,
Wait, which
wow.
one is that? That's what I wanted! Gaze! Look at how cute that is! Oh my god! Okay, wait. Oh my god, it comes with binoculars.
Oh my gosh.
Cool. Just on my little wall.
Oh my god, he sits on a little
That's so
chair.
cute. Holy shit.
And then it comes with a stool too. Oh, hello.
Go back.
Okay, wait, I gotta set up the scene. So his Wait, I broke it.
No. No way.
Oh, hello. Okay, here we go.
Espresso machine?
I don't know, but his little binoculars sit like that. And then I'm getting there. I think it is a little.
That is a little
espresso.
quick espresso machine.
Oh, you're kidding.
Look how cute that is. Okay, so that's our haul for today. Literally. And now we gotta go thrifting. What is that?
What is that?
Hold on. I literally. Okay.
That's a lot.
Damn. Let's go camping. Okay. That is actually really cute. Okay, bye guys. What is this one called? Bygone Belongings. We are in Bygone Belongings, a thrift store that we love so dearly. And there is just so much cute shit. Like, love that. What do you have to say?
If you like this room, you're gonna love the next room. Shows as much if
Okay,
not more.
let's go look. Oh, look at the plants. Love that.
And the heat is back here.
Clothings. Look at the police. Oh, look at the sunflower one. Those are very cutesy. There's just stuff everywhere. Oh, look at that one over there. Look at these. Those are really cute. Home is where the heart is. Love, love, love. Okay, we'll be back with more. Look at that one. Oh my god, that reminds me of like Tinkerbell. Okay. Oh. Oh my. I like that one. That one's very cool. When you have to say for yourself?
Do I ever say for myself?
Yes.
Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Put your clothes in your bag.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The heat. Slam dunk in it. I love like the, what is it called? Like the lightweighted denim.
Oh.
Oh, that one's cute. Not for a short
I
sleeve
love
though.
this little chair. Because of this chair right
Oh. Oh. Hello. Oh my dear God.
Oh.
We get the one that's hooked on the back of it. That is very cutesy.
here. Here, look like they go together.
Oh, and it has a cinch back. Oh my God. Anyway, that one is very cute actually. To be H. Can you see how much that one is? Check the price on that one.
24.
No. No. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, see now that fucks.
That's pretty cool.
That fucks pretty hard.
I do
Right?
like that.
Oh,
There's a buffalo.
I think this is the same people that are at the. Oh yeah. Ooh. What is this? I love that. That's very cute. There we are. Ew. Okay. Oh my God, I'm having such a blast right now. Okay, bye. Okay. Oh, period. Those remind me of the glasses from Weapons. What is her name? Gladys?
Oh God. Gladys.
That bitch. Look at the little trinkets.
You're gonna get copyrighted for this music.
I am absolutely, but if we just keep talking, then it'll be fine.
This
Look
is
at
really
these.
cute.
Look at that one. Go. I am absolutely gonna get copyrighted for this. And of course, the fucking speaker's right here. Oh my God. Hold on.
You don't understand.
Is it a...
That's so sick.
I kind of want to get that one and paint the ghost on it.
That'd be cool.
But I think it's like a felt. Yeah. That one. Oh.
Hope.
Oh. Oh my God, the parakeets, the chickens. I love it all. Those ones. Dog person will bake for coffee.
Oh.
I don't know what that means, but
Have a
look at the
heart,
sewing
please don't
machine.
That's
I
a
wanna
singer.
Smoke a cigarette. I want to smoke a cigarette. Okay. I love these. Look at the plugs. Oh, you want to know what else I want to look for? Is like a locket, so I could put like a picture of the baby in it. That'd be very cute. Looking hard, but I'm not looking hard enough. Do you know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Are these dress? I want a dress.
Surf too long.
That is very cool. How much is that one? 30.
Only $20.
That's not bad. That is hilarious. Look at that.
What's hilarious? The pig?
This one,
Oh.
because she's defending off the fucking geese.
Rhinestone hat?
Hold on. I fucked up. Hold on. Oh, I like that mirror with the seashells on it. I think I'm able to edit out like the background noise. Oh, there we go. $25. Please do not sit on it. Don't fucking touch it.
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Oh.
I found some of the best heat in this room.
Oh, well then that's a good sign.
But, you know, heat is in the eye of the beholder, people.
Gone fishing. So this is like the in-between of the both of the buildings. I'm coming. I know.
And there's another picture you can pick us.
I do like that one. I do like that one. Okay, I don't want to... I need help.
You need assistance?
I do. I just don't want to break anything. Because Lord knows I ain't got that much money.
18.
Yes. Put it in there. Oh, look at those little spice things. Those are so cute. Oh, look at those ones. These are fucking cute. Little trinket bags. Here, for the baby. Dinosaurs. I love it. I love it. Look at all the salt and pepper shakers. Those are adorable. Look at that one. I think I found my tea mug, Bubba.
You did?
I don't know. It's really cutesy.
Oh wow.
That's very cutesy, and it
That's
comes
very
with the
Oh, these two. That's a good mug right there.
tomato.
Tomato. You want to dip
He
in?
said he was gonna pull this shelf for me.
Oh hell yeah, there you go.
Look at these ones. Oh, so cute. Look at the little kittens. Oh wow. Look at that. I need to get this apron.
I just saw it.
And they have, oh my god, they have a, oh, okay. They have a Scooby-Doo costume, Luigi, Tinkerbell. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. Yep. Ooh. What is that?
Brown ghost.
How much?
$4.50, and there's a white ghost for $4.80.
Oh, look at the little, the mug next to it.
Oh,
Right
that's
there.
cute.
That is very cute.
Oh no, it's measuring cups, I think.
Oh! Even better. I'm like breathing so hard into the camera.
Your board came on.
Okay, I feel like I'm like not showing myself enough, but at the same time, it's like I want you guys to see all of these wonderful things in here. You know what I mean? Oh, that is big, but that's really cool.
Oh, I love that.
What the fuck is that? I don't know what that is.
Which one's cute?
The one that you just had, it was the orange one.
Oh, the fall one?
Yeah. Blanket ladder.
It's like a whole ass set. Oh, that one's great too.
That one's cool. Need it in the future. There's an embroidery book as well.
Stitchery.
I don't know.
Clip-on kids.
This is $10. It must be expensive from back in the day. Cast iron skillet. Piggies. Don't touch anything. Oh, Pooh Bear. For $21. No, thank you. They have dolls. Look at this little house.
You gotta add that in. Edit out me saying and add it in. It's so good. That's such a good joke.
You know, going to Pismo to see Jacob, there was a pink church,
Oh, that's really cool.
and it was fabulous. Okay, so I'm not a big watch girly, but this one's an okay vibe. There's like a lot, but not much, you know what I mean? Love it though. I love it. I love it. I love it. Tweety bird.
Okay, so get ready for the best paintings in the store.
Okay, wait. It's very cute. Okay, best paintings in the store.
All right, here we go. You ready?
I just burped. Those are very. Oh, this one's cool. I don't know. That one's cool. These would be really cool to put ghosts on. This was your big.
A big reveal was the clowns.
Okay. Yeah. You know, I might just punch you for that. I get back to you when we go to the next.
Blind date with a book.
I need a horror movie one.
Fiction, novel, family. And then this blind date with a book.
Historical fiction, post-war choices.
Interesting.
Oh, look at that little book. That's adorable. I like that little chair. Did you have fun here?
Yes, I did.
Okay, on to the next one. We are at Endless Possibilities in Apple Valley, and oh my god, just everything is to die for. Like, they have so much stuff. They just changed everything around. This is my first time coming back since they changed it, so this was never like this. But I love it. They have blind boxes in the front, right over here, and then around the corner. And then they just have more stuff in here. Die for. So we're gonna just take a look around a little bit more. Okay. Oh my, it is so different in here. So this is one of the rooms. Look at the little backpacks. Oh my god. They have everything in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, they have little baby glasses. Those are cute. What the hell are these? Italian brain rot is crazy. These are $5. Look at the what the fuck is that? That is crazy. What the fuggler? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, they have little surprise ones down here. Those are cute. Oh, they have these ones. Oh, they have hippers. Oh, these ones are kitties. Oh, those are cute. Sunny Angel hippers. These ones are so cute. Mini decorative. How much are these ones?
I did their show for
$4? Okay.
I did their show. They do about $160 in the store, so I take flyers and stuff.
Oh, these ones are cute.
They'll also do.
They have all those. These ones are really cute. I think I'm gonna get.
And then I want to have them out.
Oh, they have these ones too.
Since I've been a vendor with them, it's usually $300, but the
Dreaming series. Those are cute. I wanted to come out to find a shelf for all of my trinkets, and I'm literally just buying boxes. I'm literally just doing all of this. So I think I'm gonna get one of these for Jasmine and then one of these for me. They have Powerpuff Girl ones. But yeah, the Italian brain rot. What?
Italian brain rot.
Literally. I need to call
It
Jasmine.
smells like a student store in here.
It does. It's kind of weird. I need to call Jasmine and tell her I have a surprise for her. Okay, now. Oh. Please, by all means, take me away. Oh, okay. So that's very cutesy.
Oh, didn't see you there. Hi. How's it going?
Oh my god, I love all of these. Labubu. Look at this little baby. Literally, that is fucking cute.
There's a little Buddha. Shout out to
Oh,
Buddha.
and another one.
I told you, I said there was two.
I didn't see it.
There was two.
Okay, so how are we feeling about the updated version of Endless Possibilities?
Cool. I like it.
Dude, I fucking love it. The vintage aspect of it.
The vintage aspect.
The vintage.
That's my favorite thing, Floyd album, the vintage aspect.
Are you being a smart ass right now?
Yes.
Fuck off.
It's a great title, though.
I'm gonna name it Vintage Aspect. Look
All
at this one.
lowercase, the vintage aspect. The vintage aspect.
Shut the fuck up.
I really want to know what this damn.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, look. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
No.
That they had.
I don't remember those.
Oh, they were in the front room.
I don't remember those. I just didn't pay attention
Oh
that
my
much.
god. My favorite, Shrek.
Do it again.
Shrek. That's not a
Hell
very good
yeah.
word for you.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
Oh, I like this lamp too. What the hell? This picture. The frame. Okay, so we just went to the Endless Possibilities. And I got a little something. I literally can't stop. Okay, so first we're gonna start off ripping the fucking butts with the Sunny Angel Hippers. It's the Dreaming series. I literally just got into this. I don't know. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Just keeps going. See, their little booties are out. The birds are cute too. Okay, so which ones? I think I want the lion.
He
I want
may
the
bring
lion.
you happiness.
I want the lion or the panda. Okay, so let's.
He may bring you happiness. I like how all the ones in the Marine series are.
Oh my god! I got the fucking. That was scary. That was scary. And then what? Oh, okay. You peel it off and then you stick it on your phone. That's a cutie. That's the one that I got. Not the one I wanted. But it's fine.
May I just share something with you?
Yes, go ahead.
In the Marine series, they're all named after nautical creatures, obviously. But then there's two called Secret and Robbie.
That is peculiar. I could put it on my mirror. No, I can't.
It'll fall off.
Well, that. I gotta figure out where I can put them. Okay, next up. Lucky. What the fuck does that say?
Let me see.
I can't read cursive. Divination?
Yeah.
Fucking piss.
Didn't you pick that one out or no?
No.
Oh, it's random.
Black! And then it comes with a little bear. Oh my god. Hold on. Warning, choking hazard. But see the pictures, there's not like of like what you could get.
It really is a blind box.
Yeah. What is she reading that's so important? Hate mail.
The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath.
Okay, I seriously need to find a fucking shelf. Because I have so much shit now for the top of my... I did get one for my girl, Jazzy. So I'm going to go give that to her. And then, I don't know if we're going to go to any other places. I don't know if there's any more out here, but we'll look it up. And then if we do, we'll record when we go there. But if not, peace, love, and positivity, guys. Just say bye.
Bye.
There we go.